Today, I am reviewing Dell Inspiron 16 Touchscreen Laptop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance, feature-packed laptop that can handle everything from business tasks to content creation, the Dell Inspiron 16 Touchscreen Business Laptop 2025 is one of the best options on the market. This laptop is designed for professionals, students, developers, and creatives who need a combination of power, versatility, and intelligence in a portable package. Let's start with performance. At the heart of this machine is the 14th generation Intel Core i7-150 processor, a 10-core, 16-thread powerhouse that can reach up to 5.4 GHz on turbo. This means you can run heavy applications, multitask effortlessly, and never worry about lag, even with dozens of browser tabs open, multiple spreadsheets, and streaming content simultaneously. And with 64 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM and a massive 2 TB NVMe SSD, this laptop is built for serious productivity. The combination ensures near-instant boot times, rapid file access, and smooth performance for all your professional or personal projects. Now, let's talk about the display. The Dell Inspiron 16 features a 16-inch FHD Plus touchscreen with a 16:10 aspect ratio, offering more vertical screen space compared to traditional 16:9 laptops. This is perfect for viewing documents, coding, reading long web pages, or editing spreadsheets as you scroll less and see more content at once. With 300 nit brightness and Comfort View Plus, your eyes remain protected during long work or study sessions. The touchscreen functionality adds another layer of interactivity, allowing you to navigate apps, annotate documents, or zoom in on images with ease. One of the most exciting features of this laptop is the AI Copilot Key. With just one press, you can access a suite of AI-powered tools that make your workday smarter and faster. The AI Copilot can help summarize emails, draft documents, provide insights, suggest edits, and more. Essentially, it's like having a personal assistant built directly into your laptop, helping you save time and improve productivity. Security is another area where the Dell Inspiron 16 shines. The fingerprint reader allows for secure and instant logins, ensuring your sensitive work remains private. Meanwhile, the backlit keyboard makes typing in dimly lit rooms or during late-night work sessions easier and more comfortable. This, combined with Windows 11 Pro, ensures a secure, efficient, and modern computing experience. Connectivity on this laptop is versatile and modern. You get USB-C with DisplayPort and power delivery, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI and SD card reader, and a universal audio jack, making it easy to connect monitors, peripherals, storage devices, and headphones without the need for adapters. On the wireless side, Wi-Fi 6E provides fast, stable internet for video calls and online work, while Bluetooth 5.3 allows seamless connection to wireless accessories. Now, even with all this power, the Dell Inspiron 16 remains lightweight and portable, weighing just over 4 pounds. This makes it easy to carry between offices, classrooms, or coffee shops without feeling weighed down. The 2 TB SSD also gives you ample storage for all your projects, whether they're documents, photos, videos, or software. Combined with the 64 GB DDR5 RAM, this laptop can handle large files, heavy multitasking, and demanding workloads effortlessly. Audio and video features also stand out. With Waves Max Audio Pro and support for Dolby Atmos Core, you'll get clear, immersive sound for video calls, music, or content creation. The 1080p FHD webcam with privacy shutter and dual-array microphones ensures crystal-clear video and audio for professional meetings or online classes. The Dell Inspiron 16 is truly designed with productivity in mind. Whether you're a business professional working on spreadsheets and presentations, a developer coding complex projects, or a student juggling multiple assignments, this laptop adapts to your needs. The combination of AI-powered productivity tools, touchscreen functionality, high-end specs, and reliable security features makes it a standout in its class. In conclusion, the Dell Inspiron 16 Touchscreen Business Laptop 2025 is a perfect blend of power, intelligence, and portability. Its Intel Core i7 processor, 64 GB DDR5 RAM, 2 TB SSD, FHD Plus touchscreen, AI Copilot, and secure fingerprint login make it an ideal laptop for anyone looking to boost productivity, creativity, and efficiency. From heavy multitasking to immersive viewing and smart AI assistance, this laptop is built to handle everything you throw at it. If you're looking for a premium, future-ready business laptop, the Dell Inspiron 16 is a top choice you can rely on.